So there's two ways to make the apps on your iPhone dark. There's dark mode, which kind of just turns everything dark on your phone. And then there's the option to switch your app icons to dark icons. To switch to the dark icons, you'll just tap and hold any empty space on your home screen until your icons start to wiggle. You can then tap Edit in the top left corner. And from the menu that opens up, we'll choose Customize. Now on the bottom, you'll have a handful of options to customize your apps. You can switch to the dark look, which I guess is pretty self-explanatory. The clear option gives you this clear, glassy look. And the tinted option allows you to use that same glassy look, but with an added color tint. For the dark icons, you can either set your phone to always use dark icons, or have it set to auto, which will switch to dark icons after sunset, making things a little easier on your eyes. Now, all my icons are dark, but when I open an app, you'll see this is different from the usual dark mode, where everything goes dark. If you want to use dark mode, you can do that under Settings and Display and Brightness. Dark mode doesn't change the app icons, but it switches everything to a darker background. If you want a quick way to toggle dark mode on and off, you can do that from the Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner and then tap the dark mode switch. If you don't have the dark mode button in your Control Center, we can add it there. You can tap the plus icon in the top left corner, then choose Add a Control on the bottom, and add the dark mode switch to your Control Center. And there you have it. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.